asuntoskeittiö Kuusankosken länsipuisto. Puistokatu 15, Kuusankoski, Kouvola, staircase F.
2084 was 2019.
I think they are general heaters from Spain.
But it has no problems. Yes. Delta on the inside. Built in 2003, which is 72231. 5 persons and 4 floors. It's going to be expected in the next year, 2020. 15 years old in 2018, last year.
This is Russian style intercom.
Yeah, true. Yeah, I noticed it. It is probably from Russia.
Yeah.
Russia is not so far from here, so
Yeah.
It's imported from there.
Yeah, and the inner doors are from Spain.
Yeah. They could beep, but they don't beep.
Yeah.
And also they could have been round ones.
Yeah.
The round delta would have also fitted in here because the sigma buttons are round too.
Yeah.
And Sigma also could be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sigma would be nice.
Yeah.
And even yeah, also sigma here. Yes, sure.
How many rides?
No, for
I
me
think
one is enough.
I think one will be enough.
Yeah.
Bara kiva inspittaa mentiin vai Kone. That's it.